Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular diets for weight loss, the keto plan. The ketogenic diet, or simply keto, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been proven to be effective for weight loss. In this video, we'll discuss what the keto plan is, how it works, and how to get started with it. What is the keto plan? The keto plan is a diet that focuses on consuming high amounts of healthy fats, moderate amounts of protein, and low amounts of carbohydrates. By doing so, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, in which it burns stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This leads to a significant reduction in body fat and weight loss. How does it work? When you follow the keto plan, your body is forced to break down fats into ketones, which are used for energy instead of glucose. This means that your body is burning fat instead of glucose for fuel. When your body is in ketosis, it's also easier to burn stored fat because your insulin levels are low. This makes the keto plan an effective way to lose weight quickly. How to get started with the keto plan? If you're interested in trying the keto plan, here's how to get started. Calculate your macros, determine the amount of macronutrients you need to consume daily. You can use a keto macro calculator online to help you with this. Plan your meals, make sure you're consuming high amounts of healthy fats, moderate amounts of protein, and low amounts of carbohydrates. Incorporate foods such as avocados, nuts, fatty fish, and low-carb vegetables into your diet. Track your progress, keep track of your daily intake of macronutrients and calories to ensure you're staying within your recommended limits. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important to help your body flush out toxins and stay hydrated. Stay consistent. Sticking to the keto plan can be challenging, but it's important to stay consistent to see results. That's all for today's video on how to lose weight with the keto plan. Remember, the keto plan is an effective way to lose weight, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.